All right. So are we up to Rosemary, Steve?
We're moving to Rob Lightfoot, and then we'll kick back.
Okay. So why don't you kick back and enjoy Rob Lightfoot?
He's on the way.
Oh,
We're trying.
that's all right. There he is.
Hey, well, Irmaites, mothers, they're our first teachers, and boy, do they have their work cut out for them. It never ends. I mean, take table manners. Just look around. Elbows off the table over there, and clean up that mess. And don't hide things in your napkin. What is that anyway? Basic lessons, right? At age 10, I got a special advanced lesson in etiquette. We had just moved to a new neighborhood, and my dad was out barbecuing steaks. There was a knock on the door, and a boy, maybe 4 years old, just blew by me and installed himself at our table. My mom was putting dishes, plates down. She put another one down, and we fed him. Now, that's not the weird thing. It gets better. The next night, he was back with two siblings, and we fed all of them for weeks. I mean, steak night became half rations. Chocolate cake night, no lunchbox leftovers. And whipped cream and ice cream, the Locust Boys ate it before I ever got any. So I had something to say about this to my mom, and I complained a lot. And I got the stare glare from mom. And she would just say, her homily, there's always room at our table. So this went on for weeks, months. I mean, it seemed like years. And then suddenly, one day, they were gone. And it's like, yes, I heard they moved out of the neighborhood. I was so happy. And the happier I got, the madder my mother got. She sat me down and said, look, I know hunger. There wasn't always food at my parents' table. And at age 12, I got a job and at a movie theater. I lived on stale popcorn. So there's two ways to be in the world. You can close your door to hunger, or you can open your door, open your heart, open your table. Which world do you want to live in? And I said, honestly, the one with chocolate cake leftovers. Go to your room and think about that. And I learned a lesson. I did. Beware of rhetorical questions. Mothers, they've got a tough job. Thanks.
Great job. And can I just say, Rob, that you are a newbie at the conference, at the workshop, and you're all over the place. And I love your enthusiasm. Jim Hands, you better watch out. There's a new guy in town.